Hey y'all, so today's video is going to be me doing Bantu knots on my hair. So go ahead and sit and watch, learn and enjoy. I love you guys. Let's begin. All products will be listed in the description. So first thing first, you see me stretching my luscious, beautiful, thick, kinky hair. I'm using a wide tooth comb and a Denman brush. I'm going in with that curl moisturizer just to help break a part of my hair. So right now I'm just detangling before I start my twist. It's important that you guys comb through your hair, start at the ends of your hair and work your way up. I'm using some of my mango shea butter, which is really good and healthy for your hair. If you want to know how to purchase, I'll leave that in the description as well. Okay, so I'm going in with the beeswax. The reason why I'm going in with the beeswax is because the beeswax is really thick and it really helps lock your twist in. So that's why I use beeswax. It conditions your hair but also seal your hair. And the wax is really good for the ends of your hair. So as you see me, I'm just twisting, two-strand twisting my hair all the way down to the ends. I'm making sure I get beeswax at the very end of my hair tips. Then after I two-strand twist, I twist the whole entire twist, and then I wrap it up in a knot. And that's it. You don't have to put a bobby pin in there or anything. It automatically just locks in. If you want to put a bobby pin in, you can for more security for your hair. That is fine. But I didn't use any bobby pins. So here you're going to see me again. I just portion out of my hair. I slowed it down for you guys so you can see. So I'm taking some of that curl mustard. I hope it's called curl mustard. I'm not sure. But you catch my drift. I'm going to say curl moisturizer. So I'm detangling my hair. Yeah. I'm really working on those ends because those ends is going to help me to be able to split my hair a little better and comb and brush my hair better. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Denman brush, as you see. Now I'm just going to have you guys watch for a minute. I'm going to shut my mouth for a minute and have you guys watch. Forgive my facial expressions. I regret doing them, but it's hard because I'm so focused. So just ignore my face, please. And if you didn't really watch my face, ignore what I said. Well, I guess that's too late, huh? Yeah, ignore my face. Ugh. So, as you see, I'm two-strand twisting my hair. And then I go in and add the beeswax when I feel like I'm running out of product to seal that twist together. Take it all the way down to the end of your hair. Okay, so now I'm going to twist the whole entire twist. And this is how you create your Bantu knot. You twist the entire twist all the way down to the ends, and then you twist it in a circular motion as tight and closely to your, I want to say scalp, but as closely to, your hair. And make sure it's tight. Okay, yes, that was a success. Now, moving on to my last one. Woo! Woo! Dab. 8, 8, 8. No. I'm just kind of happy that, yeah. Moving on. So this, I'm just rubbing the hair together with that product. I noticed that really loosens the hair and helps with the detangling. So I'm going to try that now next time when I do my hair, because it helps. Whew, I'm tired. I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. Brush, 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 brush. So here you see me split my hair, and I was putting wax on each part of my hair, or both part of my. You saw what I did, yeah. Yep. So here you see me twisting my hair. And I'm adding more beeswax to the end of my hair. And I'm twisting, as you see. I'm happy. I like how they look. Okay, so I took the very first one that I did out because it wasn't tight enough. So I wanted to twist it really tight, and I wanted to add a little bit more beeswax. So as you can see, it's actually going to look a little tighter. And I did that to 3 more of them. Okay, you guys, so I'm applying the wax on my edges to lay them down. Now, before I even started the twist outs, I did have some edge booster in my hair earlier throughout the day. Um, but that's why my edges kind of already kind of look laid a little bit. But I didn't want to go in with edge booster. I wanted to go in with wax, so that's what you guys see me doing. I'm brushing my hair up with the toothbrush, and it works really good. Yeah. Hey, you guys. Yeah. So it's the next day. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning right here. Yeah. Hello. I had an interview to do at a 95.7 The Boss radio station. So here you see me unraveling them, and it looks so pretty, you guys. I really love how it came out. I'm like so ecstatic right now. I would literally just rock it like that. Like, I was so happy how curly they were. I shocked myself actually because I didn't think this was, maybe I want to say this was my second time attempting the Bantu knot my whole entire life. So I was pretty happy. I really like how they came out. Look at that. That's so gorgeous. Ooh, look, I had a pose for you guys, y'all. I was like, ooh, I'm cute. Medusa in the house. Hey, hey, hey. Comment down below if y'all think I should rock it like that right now. Let me know if y'all thought I should have left it like that. Y'all probably like, you tripping. So now you see me here separating the 2-strand twist. This was cute too. I was really thinking about leaving it just like this. I was kind of scared to break them up further than what you see here. However, your girl had to test the waters. So y'all gonna see. Oh, and if you wondering how I did my makeup or if I did a video, that will be posted soon as well. So stay tuned how I did that. I could have rocked it like that. I would have been fine. Like, on a low, I should have just said boom just like this. But probably not. Let's go ahead and split them furthermore, shall we? At this point, y'all, I'm lost. I really don't even know what to do. So, y'all gonna see. I just love how curly my hair came out. I knew I wanted curls in my hair, so that's why I did it. So here you guys see me putting a bobby pin in my hair. Didn't like how that looked, so I redid it. And I'm just playing around to get a look that I like. So as you see, I'm trying to get a style that I'm comfortable with. So I'm the type of girl who love hairstyles that's a updo. So I was trying to try something different, but y'all see me trying to lift them curls up. I'm addicted. So I think I found what I'm looking for. So, boom, boom, bam. Yeah, I'm rocking with this. Yeah, I like this. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Make sure y'all subscribe too. Hit me up on SBE Aesthetics, Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube, of course. Don't forget to show love and subscribe to your girl, okay? I won't bite. I'm a nice person. I'm very understanding. Subscribe, thumbs up this video, share, like,